Hello guys, welcome to our Heartfelt weekly analysis on the FS Triads. In this video, I'll be showing you the Heartfelt bias. These are strategy for our strategies for finding out the bias to trade on the FX Triad for the week. And our target is basically 50 pips. We might have a setup, we might have more than one setup, maximum on two setups, and we also might have no setup at all. And that is how it works. All right, so sit back as I'll be showing you. Want to anticipate, but guys, don't forget please to subscribe to our channel, follow us, share these videos. There might be a lot of people out there who might need this video. If you don't need it, all right, share it to others, and drop your comment, drop your question, and I promise we will also get back to you when necessary. So for this week, first and foremost, let's start with the DXY. On the DXY, you can see here we have a liquidity. Don't forget what moves price is liquidity. Okay, we have an FVG here partially filled. Okay, we have a liquidity down here. All right, we have a liquidity below here, and we also have a liquidity to the upside. I'm just showing you around this on the weekly time frame. On Euro USD, this area I marked, it's a point of liquidity here, and this point here. All right, we also have liquidity below here, right? It's an FVG. The price need to also react from. That is on Euro USD on weekly time frame. Now let me show you again on this Euro USD what happened here. What are we seeing here? Here we are forming a CRT here, right? We're forming a CRT here. This is the second candle, and this is the range. This range, we might trade this range. Price has reacted off what? An FVG here. All right, taking off this low, last 2-week low, this sell, right? And this is the last week, right? So price closed inside after taking the liquidity, reacting off this key level. So price might do what? Might hunt for what? The high, the CRT high. All right, price might retrace down and hunt the CRT high. All right, so take note on that on Euro USD. Then on GBP USD too, here price we can is more or less like an SMT, because this one took this last 2 weeks high, but EU did not take the last week high, but rather did the opposite by taking the last 2 weeks what low. All right, so there might be a lot of confusion with some traders as regarding this. Okay, so price closed inside, so there's a bullish move here. So price might also retest down, go down, and probably take react off any of the PDRA around this uh, uh, last week candle, probably before dropping down. So we have liquidity downside, and we also have liquidity to the upside, as the case may be. But the emphasis of this is we are only targeting 50 pips, so don't worry how far the market drop or how far the market goes up. We will just want to show you scenarios that can enable you to get position for the buyers. All right, so let's go down to the daily time frame, and I will show you something there. Now on the daily time frame, let me show you on DXY. On the DXY here, you can see here on the DXY, this price is always forming. It's already forming what? A CRT. But okay, let me show you here a CRT forming already to the upside. Then on Euro USD, this is also a CRT forming to the downside. All right, then on GBP USD is also a CRT forming one to the downside. So which one do you think that might work? Because I've just shown you on weekly time frame where Euro USD is also forming what? A CRT to the upside. So which of these things are we really anticipating that price might likely react off from? So don't forget that the higher time frame will always lead. The higher time frame will always what lead. So we are to anticipate a bullish move on our heartfelt, strategy. We're anticipating a bullish move, guys. Just 50 pips. We're going to hunt for entry on Monday. If that entry doesn't work out, either of the days of maybe Wednesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I was also telling you, for those of you who would like to join our free Telegram group, I'll be dropping updates on what to anticipate, the days to anticipate if The setup didn't hold on Monday. I will show you the days to anticipate. All right. So whichever ways, I will be updating you on our weekly, on our free Telegram. But don't forget this, that we have what a CRT forming on weekly on EU, and we also have CRT forming on daily on the three, or the three triads, the triad, FS triad, DSY, EU, and GU. So two of them might fail. All right, two of them might fail, depending on how market opens anyway. Depending on how market opens. So two of these might fail because there are also liquidities that needed to be what? To be grabbed to the upside or to the downside. All right, so but more updates, I'll keep on dropping more updates on our free Telegram group. So whichever one will follow it up. So don't forget, we are going bullish on EU or GU when the setup presents itself. How do you earn for it? Look for an SMT. That is the condition. Look for an SMT between EU and GU within time and price. Don't forget that. If you trade outside time and price, you're on your own. You're on your own. So make sure you wait for time and price, the key zone, right? And if the setup presents itself, that is an SMT between EU and GU to the upside, all right? You look for an entry, target only 50 pips, and you should be good for the week. If there's any question, guys, you can drop. There's any observation, you can drop on this channel. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us. All right, we'll meet on Saturday for updates on what market might be doing for this new trading week. Guys, I wish you good luck and good trading. Let's go bullish, guys.